up, my profit pimps? I found a little trade for you guys, so we can all make some profit together. So let's go to the office, and I can show.
Nice.
What is going on in my house?
6.5 hours later.
Hey. I'm sorry about what happened back there. Y'all didn't see nothing. Y'all better not report my video to YouTube. I'm watching. Anyway, let's go back to making some more money. Let's see what chart we gonna pimp today.
So excited!
We're looking at Ada. Ada is who gonna make us some money today. Hopefully. However, all right. So this is why I'm taking Ada. So look at this. Come from this previous fast reject zone, and I'm gonna show you a little trick. It's called a triple bottom. So I'm taking it based on that, and it's gonna be a cross soon. The cross on the 1 hour didn't happen yet, but shh, don't tell nobody. If we go to the 15 minutes, we're gonna see the cross, and it already crossed already. So we're a little bit late, but I got in at 104. Sorry, I'm coughing. COVID. What? Anyway, yeah. So as pimps, I think pimp has a bad name. In my world, pimp stands for profiting in multiple places.
What the shit? That's the coolest name ever!
Hear me out. Because a lot of y'all be trading, but y'all be taking profit in one spot. How do you know your trade really gonna go up there?
I don't know. You tell me.
Brownie put crazy go up this out. Anyway, I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna even put it on here so y'all don't forget it. Hold on, give me a second. I'm gonna put some text. Just for y'all won't forget it. Pimp. Sorry, COVID again. Pimp stands for profiting. I can't spell, I'm a little bit stupid. Profiting in multiple places. Don't forget that. I'm gonna make it big. Y'all can't forget it. What color should we make it? Blue? Nah, I like green. No, my money blue sometimes. Okay, boom. Pimp stands for profiting in multiple places. So look here. We got our original trade at 1.04. I got it at 1.04. You might get it a little bit later. But, sorry. COVID again. And I would say the max 106, you can still take the trade. 107, maybe. But this is a very good trade. And when you're taking the trade, I gotta show you guys the stops and stuff. Here you go. For the first trade, our profit level is at 116. Don't forget that. Hey, y'all talking about 16-year-olds? Y'all about to go to jail.
No. Wait, no.
No, 116. Okay? That's our first take profit. But that's for the big profit, right? But you need another trade that's going to get out at a 1-to-1. So you get your money, dip out. If it reverses, cool, you made your bread, right? So the stop loss is at 99.99. Don't forget that. Because anything more than that is going to the ground. But it's okay. So that's good for the first one. Second one, this is going to be your 1-to-1, almost 1-to-1. Quick, entry price 104. We get out. Sorry, I did this wrong. Give me a second. We want to get out at 110 because that's an even number. Boom. 110. It's a little bit under a 1-to-1. But your entry price, 104. Max, 107. And your price, your take profit, is 110. Even number. Don't forget it. Sorry, COVID again. Your price or your stop loss always the same at 99. Okay. And yeah, that's my trade for today on ADA. Don't forget it's ADA. And you can use whatever wallet you want to. However, we got a sponsored wallet in the description. So if you want to support a young pimp, put a little paper in a young pimp pocket, we can do that. However, if not, all good. Let's get this money. All right. That's all I really got to tell y'all today. If y'all need anything, let me know in the comments. If you like this, let me know in the comments. If you don't like me, let me know in the comments. If you think I'm not a real pimp, let me know in the comments. All right. Oh, and I forgot to do this too, because we got to do this because of YouTube. If you like my video, slap the like button, but do it with this finger, because this finger is the longest finger. Because all pimps know is backhand, middle finger is the last one to touch. So use your middle finger to hit the like button. And if you love me, hit the subscribe button, because I'm coming with heat every day. No, I'm lying. I ain't coming with heat every day. I'm not. I ain't coming with here. I got shit to do. However, when I see some time to make some profit, you wasn't recording. Oh my goodness, she wasn't recording. We only got one camera. But it's all good. However, I'm going to tell y'all how it is. Slap up these profits, but don't slap your mama. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all my name.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
I'm a pimp named Profit.